so fast, made so much money in literally minutes. So it's super important for us to show you how to take those simple trades. So please know that you can ask any questions you have here. If you have more detailed questions, by all means, please, we are here to help you. So Coach Carole should be in 2 seconds here. If you have any cryptocurrency questions, please write them down. We want to help you. Otherwise, just 1 second here. I'll be right back and see. I don't know why Carrie is not on here yet. So Regina, hi, how are you? I see Regina. I see Nancy. How are you guys doing? Hi, Philomena. Hi, Diane. Whoa, so excited you guys are here.
So Bitcoin, huh? You got it with Bitcoin today.
You are here. Are you guys talking? Oh, my volume was
I
down.
said Bitcoin. You didn't hear me.
Oh, yeah. What'd you say?
I said you won Bitcoin. I'm like, damn, where was I?
I know. My God, you guys. That thing came in. It came in and just plunged. It was a sell.
I just got what, $17 from it, but it's okay. It's still money.
$17, you get a full, a gallon of gas, 2 gallons. So
a gallon of gas.
How much is gas now? It's 5, right?
Over here, it's still under 5.
Oh wow. Yeah, over here is over $6.
Oh my, no. I'll be walking.
I know. So honestly, I don't know. I was online with Coach Carole. I know she's hopping on right now. I hope she didn't forget. There's no way she would forget.
Well, she said my apologies. I don't know what that means.
Where did she say my apologies?
She said that on the chat. She says my apologies. I don't know what she meant by that at 7:52.
Maybe we were on a live call, so I think she got late. Okay. Yeah, so today we wanna, I don't know what she wants to cover, but I would love for her to cover the trade that I took today, because not all the trades are coming in as copy and paste, like literally the diagram. And so I don't know. Hi, Carole. So I don't know if you want to show them scalper today. It's really up to you. I don't know like what you covered last week. Otherwise, I will leave you guys to Coach Carole. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jenny. Hi, everyone. Hi, Nancy, Philomena, Deanne.
Hi.
Hi, V, Sarah, Ann. So, I didn't know if you have any questions before I start.
Hi. I love your hair, Coach Carole.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Do you have any questions? What would you like to know today?
I have a question.
Yes.
Last night at work, I had some downtime and I tried to do some trades, to get in some trades on Vite Forex, but I can't figure out how can you tell what you did? Are you able to go back and see, like, where do I need to go in Vite Forex to see my history?
I don't use Vite Forex.
Oh, okay.
Jenny, are you still on the line, or does somebody use Vite Forex to probably direct Nancy as where she needs to go?
And it can always be answered later after this, so that's okay.
Does anybody use Vite Forex?
I do.
Okay. Do you know where to go to look at the history of your trades? Like to check to see if you've won or?
You just have to check your your money, like when you lose, it's decline. If you make a profit, the money like adds up.
The thing is that I know I lost and I know I won. I just wanted to see specifically, but
No,
it's
I
okay.
tried, but I haven't been able
There
to.
is
Okay.
there is something I forget. I don't have my computer right now, but at the bottom you can see all your open trades or your closed
That's what.
trades on Vibe Forex. So you can see what you lost, what you gained, and all that. All
Yes,
the
I
way
would
at the
like to see
bottom.
that.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
all the way. I'm not able to share my screen, but I don't know whether anybody has Vibe Forex and can.
What is it called? What is that section
It's
called?
let me try log in and I'll tell you because I don't. But
Okay.
there is a.
Is
There
it
is
here
someone.
below total turnover?
Oh, okay.
Yes, yep, right there. Where see where it says all open, you can change that open to closed, and then you put the date, the range date,
Ah.
and then you'll
okay.
see whatever you're looking for. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
You're
Philomena.
welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Coach
Regina.
Carole, I have a
Yes.
question. When
Yes.
I take a trade on VidForex, my status is not changing from open to closed. It's staying like open throughout. Is that an issue?
That would be something maybe to ask Jenny, because I don't use VidForex for the broker. So maybe at the end, we can send her a message and see if it means anything. I use pocket option. So I don't.
Yeah, I was kind of curious to know what broker you use.
Yeah, I use pocket option. So
Okay.
it's a little bit different. So yeah, I don't want to assume what it is. Yes. But does everybody, do you have a question on crypto or like how to take trades using SwapCoin, the application?
For me, whenever I take a trade, I spoke this area with Jenny, like after 5 minutes, 6 minutes, I haven't made any profit. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or I'm not patient. I don't know.
And are you entering where they say to enter, like the entry zone?
Yes.
Okay. And are you exiting before you see the message to exit?
No. So once I put in the digits, like the time, after 5 minutes, maybe the number
This is the
doesn't
new zone.
correspond. So
Okay.
I'm just leaving it. And I can see other people are making still profit using it. So I'm like wondering if I'm doing something wrong.
Okay, so the thing that caught me when you spoke is the 5 minutes. So how are you putting the 5 minutes for the swap coin?
No, I'm talking about swipe option.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
no,
sorry.
I was talking about swap coin.
Oh, okay.
I was like...
I'm getting confused. Swipe option is for what?
Swap option is for things like USD, JPY, the currencies. Swipe coin is for digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. They will also send you Ripple against US dollar. So that's the swap option. Okay. That's the swap coin. That one is a swap. The swap option will be for all your currencies. And then the swap coin will be for your digital currencies. So have you taken some swap coin trades?
No, I'm still in swipe option.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to see how you can do it?
Yeah. Swipe coin?
Swap option. Swap coin is today with me. I do crypto And Coach Rose tomorrow, she does the swipe option.
Okay.
Yeah, if you could show us how to do that, because I get myself confused too between. Yeah.
For the swipe,
Please.
for the swipe coin, right?
For the swipe coin and for the swipe coin and the what's the other one?
So
Not the swipe option.
The I am Blaze.
No, I am Blaze. I can. I think it's swipe option, the one that comes with the Bitcoin, USD,
That one is
Ethereum.
the swipe coin.
Yes, that's the one. That's the one. Because sometimes when it comes without a graph, without showing where to exit and the invalidation and all that, it's the one that comes with, like, sometimes it has like a box in the center that tells you take here or whatever, like has a message. That
Okay,
is
I'll show you what it is. So let me go there.
Yeah.
So I will show you how you can get it to your IM center. Okay. So you go to im.center, right? You know how to get there, right?
Yeah.
And then you log in. And then to the left, you go to strategies. You see strategies. You click on strategies. And the end, you can jump in if you want, okay? All right, so then you go to DCX, and DCX stands for Digital Currency Exchange, okay? This digital currency. So you click on that. And then you have under that, under the digital currency, you have, we primarily use the swipe coin and the scalper.
Which one is
So I will show you first the swipe coin, okay? So you click on that, the swipe coin, and you click on it again, you'll see that blue underneath it. So you click on that, and it opens up to a page. And that page is the equivalent to what you see on your phone as well, okay? So on your phone, there will be 3 dots at the top, or 3 lines. And then once you click on those 3 lines, and I'll show you also how it looks like on the phone, but you have the leverage ideas, you have the exchange ideas. Exchange ideas are mostly if you want to buy the digital currency. So it will tell you, for instance, for this digital currency, you should buy it. So you have the information right here, but we are not there yet. So the only one I'm going to show you is the all leverage ideas. Leverage ideas meaning that you do not have to buy the currency, the digital currency. So that's what it means. It means that you are leveraging on the idea, meaning that you do not need to buy the Bitcoin. So all the time when you get those ideas, you want to make sure that you go to the all leverage ideas. And the most recent one that was sent was this one, BTC USD. You see that one? BTC USD.
There's something going wrong.
And you can see it was sent today. You can see the date Monday, June 7. Do you all see that?
Yeah.
Yes.
And it was sent at 12:49 Greenwich time. So that was, I don't know how to do the conversion, but I can go on my phone. But it tells you the time. Yes. It was sent at 7:49 my time. 7:49 Central Time. And then it is a buy idea.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will show you when I click on it, and then after I'll go to my phone. But when you click on it, you'll see several areas, and I'll show you the areas that you want to look at.
You didn't let it rise enough.
Oh, it's rising up.
Oh, no, sorry.
Okay. So do you see the image on my phone on the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So you'll see again here BTC, USD. You can see it at the bottom to BTC USD, and then it says it's a buy. Correct? Okay. So now who can tell me where I can buy?
Excuse me, Carol, where is it written by?
You see that green area, that rectangle? That's the buy. You see that arrow that goes up?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, so you buy there at the of this green area.
Yes. So as long as the currency or the Bitcoin will be in this area. So right now you can see that the price at the time that the trade idea was sent, you see that red that red box. It means that that was the price of the Bitcoin at 7:49 Central Standard Time. It was at 21,188. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you see that arrow going up, the educator is saying that the Bitcoin will go down to this point and will go up. So hence that arrow. So they are predicting that the Bitcoin will go down to almost the 20,800. Do you see that number here? Will go down and then it will go up to almost 22,100. That's what it means. So now you look at that, you want to look at the price that it is at currently. You want to make sure that you know the area of buy. So that will be that rectangular here, that rectangle, sorry, the rectangle. So if it is a little bit like maybe 21,000, between 21,188 and 21,000, once it reaches that price, you will buy. And I'll show you where you can go and buy, okay? You click on the buy. So now, any question before I continue? Any questions before I continue? No questions, questions?
Yeah, no question.
Okay. So now what you want to look at, you want to look at you see that blue highlighted number here? That blue line at the bottom? The blue line at the bottom is the stop loss. So what it means is that, okay, I know the educator has predicted that Bitcoin should be coming this low and then coming up, right? But then sometimes it happens that the price might go even beyond that rectangle. So now you put a stop in case the currency might want to go beyond that line. So you are telling the system, okay, if it happens that Bitcoin does not go up right away and the currency continues going down, I'm putting a stop to this amount, $20,600. So if that currency is going down and hitting the 20,600, I want to exit that trade. So you are stopping the loss. That's what it means. You are stopping you losing more money than you want to lose. Is that clear?
Yes.
Are you gonna lose
Okay.
money though?
Sorry?
Are you still gonna lose something?
Oh yeah, you will. Yeah.
So that's we're gonna count it as a loss, like when it
Yes.
goes like down there.
Yes.
Okay.
But at least you have control as to how much you are willing to lose, right? So you can set a stop and say, okay, I don't want to lose more than this amount. So I'm putting my stop right here that the indicator suggested. He suggested that if the currency goes beyond that point, put a stop to 20,600. Now, if the trade is going in our favor, so a buy meaning that the currency will go this down, this low, and then go up, right? So now the first number that you see above the entry area, the first is the exit number 1 or take profit 1. That's what it means. Take profit 1 or exit number 1. So it will be the 21,500. Now the second number will be the 21,800. It is the take profit 2 or exit 2. And the other one is the 22,100. Is the take profit 3 or exit 3. Any questions?
So from 21,500 you make money, right?
Yes. Because you buy it maybe around here, and then you make money. Let's say the currency goes up here, you'll make money between your buy over here and your exit one over here.
So Carol, is there time to wait for this? Like 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
There's no time. Usually you get an update from the educator. And then when you go to, I'll show you on your phone. When you go to all chats, results, it will show you, the educator will update you on the trade. Usually they will update and they'll tell you when to get out. And let me show you on the phone. Let me see if I can do that. Hold on 1 second. And while I'm doing that, if you have any questions that I can answer right now.
I have a question. Let's say now you're setting up your trade. The stop loss, does it always have to be that low? Can you leave it on the green area? Can you play that safe?
It depends, because sometimes I usually want to follow what the educator is saying, but that's a very good question. Let's say you put the stop loss here, right?
Right.
And then the currency goes beyond, so you'll be exiting, right? But let's say somebody who put that trade here, that stop loss here, right? Yeah. And now let's say the currency comes down here and then goes up. That person will be making money. But then you will not be making money because you exited too soon. So for the same trade, because you took a higher stop loss, somebody might be making money and then you will not be making any money. And then you'll be wondering why. It's because sometimes we can see sometimes the currency might go down up here, around here, and will turn back and go up, and that person will be making the profit. But because you told the system to exit you around here, you won't make any money. You'll probably will be a loss.
Oh.
It will be a loss to you, and then it will be a profit to somebody else.
I have a quick question. What if you are dropped off because of your stop loss being so safe? Let me put it that way. What if you turn around and you buy again? Can you do that?
You could do that. You could do that. That's a really good question, because sometimes I did it one time and then I put it too high, above, and the currency can continue going down, but eventually went back and it went up. And I was like, but I didn't know that I could enter in again. So that was at the beginning, right? So I did lose some money when other people were saying like they made profit. I was like, what? Yeah. But does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
That's an excellent question, actually.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any other question? Did everybody understand the question she asked me?
Yes.
Okay. DM, do you want to add anything?
Well, did you want to go through like the chats? Like when the chat brings up a message that you could take still profit one?
Yes, I wanted to do that. I'm waiting for Jenny to make me the host so that I can use my cell phone. Yeah, so I'm just waiting.
Because even though they send that, they send the idea, that idea could be good throughout the whole entire day.
Yes.
And I've had it too, where it's still good. The next following day, they'll send you a message.
Yes.
And they'll tell you how many pips to go in as. They'll tell you which profit line. And you still can do the same information, enter the same stop loss, and take the trade.
And what I like, especially when you go on your phone, when you go to your swipe coin, and I'm just waiting for Jenny to make me the host. But when you go to your swipe coin and you go to, it should be on the leverage charts. But if you can all go on your phone, you'll see the 3 lines at the top. And you click on that, you should see leverage chart. And you scroll to the and then you will say, you see the message of it was at 1:57 p.m. for BTC USD. It says that the idea is still valid. So if your position was closed, be free to play the same setup. So you can look at it and say, okay, oh man, that idea was sent since 7 o'clock. I didn't have to take it down it. But then you go to the chart and you look at it and you're like, oh wow. So it means I can still stake it. So you could have still taken it. I did not even see it, otherwise I would have gone into it. But you could have still taken it with the same setup, meaning that with the same stop loss, the same whatever take profit you wanted to take. So you could have still taken that same trade at around 2 p.m. Central Time. Do you see what I'm saying?
When they tell you to retake the same thing, do you have to enter at the entry zone? Does it have to be the same?
Well, let me see. Yeah. So I actually, it went beyond, because according to what he was saying, it did not close below. So it was a little bit, invalidation area is the stop loss. So invalidation area means stop loss. So if BTC did not close below, invalidation area, meaning that it did not go beyond, but it was close to, or it was in the invalidation area. So you could have taken that trade there around that stop loss. You see what I'm saying?
No.
So it says BTC USD did not close below invalidation area.
Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So it means that it was around the invalidation area. Does that?
Mm-hmm.
It means that it was by the invalidation area or around the invalidation area. Invalidation area is the same as stop loss.
Mm-hmm.
So it looks like it did not close beyond that.
Mm-hmm.
So it looks like the trade was around here.
Mm-hmm.
So you could have still taken that idea even though it was close to here. At 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah.
So does it have any indication like where it is closed, or you just have to check the chart? Like when
Yes, you can check the chart because the chart will give you an update of everything. They are pretty good at giving you an update. So if they tell you to exit, time to exit, you just go ahead and close. But if they don't tell you to exit, just stay in there. Sometimes it takes a day before you can see a real profit. Sometimes people exit before, they exit before the maturity of the trade and they don't make money.
Is this one open? The one that you took?
Who, me?
Yeah, this one that you're showing.
No, I did not take that one. I was at work, I missed it. If I had gone to my phone and seen that, I would have taken it at 2. Did you take it, Deanne?
I got in after the fact. I think I only made $17. Hey, but it's $17.
That's something.
That's good.
Yeah, because
So
Janie got in.
around
Janie
that
got
time and she still made.
Yeah.
That's good.
So what
Actually,
is
it was $18.20.
Mm.
So
Yeah,
what is
Janie made $378.
Mm-hmm.
I have another question. Is there anywhere, let's say you take the trade and you're busy at work, whereby you can put a sell limit?
You can do that, but then in that case,
Mm-hmm.
why would you want to take a sell limit?
Maybe you're at work.
No, because it's a buy. What do you want to do a sell?
When you sell it like for a profit, let's say you put it as a profit, let's say for 1,300. The first entry zone, exit zone, I'm sorry.
Okay, so hold on. So a sell limit is for a sell.
Mm-hmm.
But in this case, it's a buy.
Well, okay. Is there anywhere we can put then the buy limit?
You can put a buy limit if the currency is not at the price yet. So let's say the price for Bitcoin is 25,000, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And they are telling you that the entry zone is at 20,000
Mm-hmm.
or 22,000, right? So if you see that the currency is going down, you can put a buy limit and you put the 22,000 for the price, because that's why you want the system to buy it for you. So you can put a buy limit if you know that you will not be available, right? You know you won't be available to take that trade. And if you know that the price is going down to where you want it to be. So you can do a buy limit and you put the price that was given to you in the swap coin. Yes, you can do that.
Okay.
So
Carol, Coach Carol, I have a broker question.
Yes.
Do you know what the minimum is for Osprey FX?
Osprey, I think it's $100 or something.
When you open the live account, you have to open it separately and then go to MT4 and connect it.
Yeah, so what I did is I opened my Osprey. I did a demo and I did a live under the same. And then I went to my MetaTrader. I went to settings, right? I think there's some noise somewhere. I don't know where it's coming from. But
Dogs of system away.
so I went to settings and then I went to new account. Then I went to log into an existing account. Ivy?
Yes, I'm here.
So I went to existing account and then I typed into, they asked for servers. So I typed in Osprey and then it gave me, it will give you a demo or live. So you click on the live and it will ask you for your user ID and password. And that information would have been sent to your email address. So you'll see the user ID there. So you can just copy and paste it into your MetaTrader, where they ask you for the user ID and the password for your Osprey live account.
Okay. And then when you're taking the trades, I think I understand that the lot sizes depends on how much you have in the account, right?
Yes. So if you have anywhere between 0 and 1,000 or 999, I will do a 0.01. And from 1,000 to 9,000, I will do a 0.1, 0.1, yeah, 0.1, something like that. And then beyond, some people just do a standard lot size. But if you have a smaller account, I'll just do the 0.01.
A moment, can you explain? I've tried reading about the spread and I don't seem to be understanding how to know what the spread is.
The spread is the difference. For instance, if your Bitcoin is at 22,000, right? And then it goes up to 23,000. The difference between the 23,000 and the 22,000 will be your spread. It's like the distance between what you bought it for and where it is at the moment.
And they charge for, some brokers charge for that, and also they have a separate fee, correct?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Reading about Hugo's way that their charges for the spread are high, and I was like, oh, what? I tried to listen to read about the spread, and now an understanding. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, so let's see if I can go in there and Coach Rose, how are you? Coach Rose.
I'm good. Thank you. I'm just listening.
Do you have any question for me? Some of the students will have questions for you for tomorrow on swap option. And so make sure to take good care of them, okay? She's good. She's good. So you are in good hands, like State Farm.
Right.
So
I had a question. There was a trade that came as AAVE USD. What the heck is that?
I saw it.
I know. I was like,
AAVE is for if you have an exchange, meaning if you have
come from Mike Sotero, it look different.
If you have a crypto.com account, it actually tells you when to buy.
Mm-hmm.
Like how you can go on a different account and buy. with your real money, right?
Yeah.
You go on those exchange like crypto.com and buy that AAVE.
Oh, okay.
It will tell you where you can. It's technically the buy, hold, and sell. So you can buy now, and then they will tell you when to sell it. It's like a swing trade. It can take days, but that one you buy the physical currency with your money.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
If you go to listen to them, Mike Sotero and them, they teach all this.
I haven't had a chance to listen to him. I should make time for that.
So I'm going to show you how it looks on my phone. Is that the one you were talking about, Miss Rose?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that one, if you have, USDT is a stable coin. If you have this, even in your, I don't know if I have it, depending on the trading platform, some platform have that AAVE, and you can still do a leverage trade with some of those. I don't know do we have that? I don't think we do.
I couldn't find it.
Yeah, some platform don't offer it. Because I remember I was looking for it, I could not find it.
What I found AVA, the one you just passed, but I did not see AAVE.
Yeah. Because I was looking for it, no, I don't have it.
Okay.
So that one, what you can do, you have to buy. So you have to buy and put it on an exchange. And I mean, so no, I'm not doing it right now. Something to think about though.
Yeah.
So let me show Regina. Was it Regina? Okay. How to.
Yes.
I'm going to show you the chart.
Okay.
So I go to my swap coin, and you see the 3 lines at the top right. I click on it, and you see the leverage chart.
Yeah.
Click on that to see any update of the day, and I'll scroll down, and you'll see that at 1:57 p.m. my time, there was this message: BTC USD did not close below the invalidation area. The idea is still valid. So if you had gotten that message around that time, you could have still gone and take that trade. That trade that was sent at 7 o'clock, 7:49, that first one, you could still have gone and taken that trade today. And Deanne said that she made $18. You see?
Yes. Is there a time whereby do they have a time frame?
You mean time frame as to when they send those trade ideas?
No, like how long this trade is gonna last. You see, like the way Coin Option is giving you like time frame.
Not on those ones.
Okay.
So
you have to keep on checking.
We are dealing with digital currencies also, but the one that will give you, they don't really know. Even the IM Blaze does not give you a time frame because it is not time based. You know, the TBX time based trading is only with those currencies on swap option. So that's why we call them the time based. It is based on timing. But those ones with the swipe coin and IM Blaze are not time-based trades.
I think IM Blaze it does because here it's written time frame.
It does put time frame, but you know that you don't put it on your MetaTrader.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's not. They just fill out that spot because it needs to be filled out, but it is not time-based.
Okay.
It's not time-based. So the way you enter the trade. So I will go to my MetaTrader. And have you checked on the video that shows how to enter those swap coin?
I'm still
trades?
going through it.
Okay. Oh, Jenny even sent something on trading swap coin. Okay. So what I do, you see all my currencies. So I have all them listed here. So to trade, I click on the trade at the bottom. I have several ones. To trade, I click on quotes. So let's say it was a BTC USD. I click on it. And then depending on the phone, me, I have an iPhone. It will say trade. I know Android is a little bit different, but it's the same. But you click on trade. And Regina, that will be the buy limit. If you remember the question you asked me. So
Yes.
let's say the price was at 23,000, right?
Mm-hmm.
And right now it is, no, let me see. Let's say the price is at, the price currently is 20,742, right?
Yeah.
But let's say they send you an idea where the price needs to be at 17,000.
Okay.
So if it were to be the case, then you enter the 17,000 right here. You would have entered that here
Mm-hmm.
under buy limit.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And then you would have entered maybe the stop loss at, you don't want to go below 16,000,
Mm-hmm.
right? And then maybe the profit at 20, is it 21,000 or 20, or I don't know, 19, 20, something. 20,000. So you would have entered that like that.
Question there. Which one would you advise? The first profit exit, or the second, or the third?
I would like you to go with the first exit, to start with,
Okay.
to experience how it works. And once you are comfortable, you can then go to the take exit 2 and see how it works. And if you like it better, or take exit 3. The higher you go with the take profit, the longer it will take for the trade to mature at the take profit 2 and 3. It makes sense, right?
It does.
Yes. So it will take, depending on your patience, how long you want to wait for take profit 2 and take profit 3. Some people take all 3 trades at the same time by doing 3 separate trades.
Right.
So they'll do one trade and enter the take profit 1, then they will place it, and then they go to another one and enter the take profit 2, and they'll go to open another one and do a take profit 3. But I will maybe recommend to do it one thing at a time. Experience the take profit 1, see how it feels, see how long, see your probability. You can document it, and then go to the take profit 2, document it, see your experience, see how it feels, to wait a little bit longer, and then do the same with take profit 3, and then decide at the end of the day which one you want to stay with. If you want to do all 3 at the same time, or you want to stick with take profit 1, or take profit 2, or take profit 3.
Okay. I have another, it's a serious question.
Okay.
Let's say we have put take profit 3, then you change your mind. Does it give you that? Can you be able to change it, or once you put the digits?
Yeah, so let me do that one. Let me place it, okay? Let's say you did a buy limit, right? So I place it. So now I can go back to it. Where did I put it? Oh, I put a buy limit. No, that's not the one. Let's say, okay, so you can long press it, and then you see you can modify it, or you can delete it.
Okay.
So let's say you say, oh, okay, I don't want this anymore. Okay. So you can click delete. And it's done.
So once you delete, is your money still safe, or the loss which had incurred, like they take that loss, or what happens once you delete the trade?
Once you close, okay, so if you want to close the trade, you mean if it is taking a loss,
Mhm.
there'll still be a loss because, yeah. But if it's going the way that it's supposed to go with profit,
Mhm.
likewise, if you close it before, you will still have that profit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then the lot size that I was talking about, I don't know if you remember when Ivy was asking about the lot size and the spread. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's say that's where, okay, so that's where you see that number, the 0.10.
Uh-huh.
That is the percentage risk. So you are taking 10% risk on your capital. And that can be either for or against you. So why am I saying for or against you is because let's say the trade is going south, you are risking 10%. If it is going favorably, you are profiting 10%.
Mm.
Okay.
Are those what we call pips?
The pips is the distance between, let's say with the BTC or Bitcoin, the difference between 23,000 and 22,000 is 1,000, right? Or also 1,000 pips. It's the difference between the price that the Bitcoin was at and the price that it is now, the distance.
Okay.
So if I have a distance of 100 meters, so that will be the measurement, the measure of the distance between what it was and what it is now. So to start with, for that amount, for anybody who is starting, you want to make sure that it is at 0.01. 0.01. You can change it. You see how I change it?
Yes.
Yeah. So it will be 1% instead of the 10%.
Differently for crypto versus forex.
Yes.
Because I've realized even if you use a lot size of 0.01 on forex, the amount you get is not as much as the same lot size on crypto. You'll get more.
Yeah, it's a different measurement with forex.
Okay.
You got that right. Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Yes. So everything is on, like, make sure that you check on that video that Jenny posted in the chat. It will explain how to take, like Regina, it will explain to you how to take that as swap coin. You know, just review the video, just practice, and then you'll become a pro. Like, you know, Deanne, she saw it at 2 p.m. and she still went in and got some money out of it. So you'll be able to be very familiar with it, you know, after you watch that video many times. You know, the first time you might not understand it, but just go push through and you'll be able to understand it, and then take your first trade and see how it feels.
Yes, I will. Thanks.
So Coach Carole, if you don't mind, I'm going to interrupt you for a second. So I wanted you guys to know that I redid our website. And so it's now including I Am Blaze and all that good stuff. And it actually is a little bit more organized than it was. So if you're feeling lost on fundamentals, just come to this site. It's jannybody.com/trading. So you're gonna start here. You're gonna put in your information. The reason why this is important is for us to know where you are in your journey, right? Make sure you put in your enroller. And then I've talked about the trading support. So, and I made sure when I was creating this website, it's very friendly on your phone. There is, binary options set up. So this is very specific to swipe options. I have put in the brokers here. I've talked about funding. So if you don't know how to fund your Vite Forex, there's a video in here. And then I have also talked about the double blessing strategy. So everything is here. Talked about the setup for TradingView, what you need to be looking for when you're trying to trade by yourself. I also included a video here that I found very important. It's by Kendry, and it was recorded on the 15th of this month. So if you can go and look at it, it's going to give you the fundamentals, how we are able to look at charts and take trades. The cheat sheet here, when do you know when to buy, when do you know when to sell. So I took a lot of time here to put this together for you guys. So please make sure you look at it. I also included Swipecoin. So I also included Swipecoin. And so Swipecoin and IM Blaze. So everything is here. Everything is here. So if you're feeling confused, any of that stuff, everything is here, including a video that I personally used to figure out how to take better Swipecoin ideas. So I gave you the video. It's by Nick Gomez. I gave you the video and all that good stuff. So take your time and go through this setup. If you go through this setup, even if you have to go through each 2 or 3 times, you're going to answer majority of the questions that you have. I mean, seriously, like the fundamentals are all here. I took a while to put this together. So trust me, I was just thinking about it as a brand new person. And so, I'm very thankful this is here. So it's going to be very easy for everybody that is coming in to go through this. Any questions on this?
Hey, Jenny.
Yeah.
There was somebody who had a quick question on Video Forex about active status or something like that, or close.
What's okay? I remember that. What is the question on Vite Forex? What are you seeing? Let me pull up mine real quick.
I don't know who asked that question. Who asked that question again?
I think it's Regina who said it was always like it shows.
Yeah, I think it was
It's
Regina.
always open. It doesn't close even if the trade is already expired or something.
So I want to see that because I think I want to see that. So I'm going to share my Vite Forex real quick. I want to see what you mean by that. Give me 2 seconds here. So what do you mean? Tell me where you see open.
You see where it's written status?
Mm-hmm.
After you track the trade, let's say 5 minutes are over.
Yeah.
It's supposed to stay closed, right?
No.
Or no?
It's supposed to just continue to stay open. You have to click on this to see closed ones.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean that the trade is still active. It's just
Yeah. If you don't see anything moving here, then there's no trade. The trade has already. If you're trying to figure out if the trade is done, you just come here, you click closed, and then you see the trade that you just took.
Okay, that was confusing me.
Yeah. Make sense? Make sense?
It does.
Okay, cool.
Yes, sorry.
Okay. There's actually a trade I'm looking at here. It's actually it came in ETH. I'm trying to if I can take it. It's been a while. So this is a really good example of scalper. The trade comes in through Swipecoin. Oh shoot, it's already 8 o'clock. it comes in through swipe coin, and then I sometimes open up this graph on my phone. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I'm not on my computer. So this trade here, I've been kind of watching it, trying to figure out if I should get in or not, because it keeps climbing back. So it's going the opposite direction. So they're telling us to take this sell for ETH. It's been an hour. But if you look here, if I would have taken this trade when this candle opened up, I would have made a lot of money. I would have made, so 1197 all the way to 1178. I don't know how many pips that is, but that's a lot of money. But you can see it's going the opposite direction now. So there's a lot of money to be made. Just take your time, learn one thing at a time. Don't try to learn everything. I didn't even start learning swipe coin until almost a year into IM Academy. I was just mastering binary options. Once I got really good at binary options, really good, I could take $1,000, $5,000 trades. Then I switched gears to swipe coin. So figure out what you want to learn one thing, but be really good at it. That if you click the button like this, you're making loads of money. Okay. So thank you, you guys. We are out of time. Coach Carole, we're really grateful for you. Thank you so much for pouring. I mean,
thanks, everyone.
She talks, you know for a fact that she studied a lot. I mean, some of the things she's saying, I'm like, damn, girl. Like, so she's really giving you a shortcut to success. Go rewatch this again. It's on YouTube. Please watch it. If you have to watch it 15 times, I don't know, maybe I'm the dumb. Sometimes I watch videos 6, 7, 10, 20 times. Get it. But make sure you watch it again. God bless you, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. If you are part of the WhatsApp, we've removed everybody from WhatsApp. Everybody is now officially in Telegram. Congratulations, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.